We have worked hard to also improve our internal combustion engines. For example, the new Opel Corsa in every variant is providing better fuel economy and lower CO2 than the old version in its best and lowest CO2 number. And this with the internal combustion engines only. And the new Corsa is 25% less or better in fuel economy, less in CO2. And this alone is a signal that the combustion engine has still a future in itself. And we are working very hard. You can also see it on the new Opel Astra, which we are relaunching in these days with 3-cylinder engines, brand new transmissions. And on the Astra we have gained 21% improvement. So it's still all open. While electric is coming, gasoline and diesel is also still on. We have converted 100% of our diesel engines to AdBlue now. As a matter of fact, in the new Astra, all the diesels are now certified even in Euro 6D. That's the regulation of 2021. So for diesel, AdBlue is definitely a must. And it makes the diesel clean on the road. So even our nowadays real driving emission numbers prove that the diesel is now clean and can really contribute to the CO2 reduction. Yeah, on the diesel you have this trade-off, meaning that there will always be NOx that you need to treat in an after-treatment system. This cannot be avoided. While in the gasoline side, for example, when you have a combustion system running, for example, with Lambda 1, then a 3-way catalyst is enough and there's no additional after-treatment needed.